Hey you guys, it's 2D. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another video. I'm going to be making some vanilla extract. So I have all the ingredients. You just need two. So I got these vanilla beans. They're 25 Tahitian vanilla beans. I got these off Amazon for about $22 and change. So I got a really good deal on these. They're not super big. They are a little small, as you can see. They're just as big as my hand, but hey, it's my first time making vanilla and I didn't want to spend a ton of money on this project. I got this vodka here. I forgot how much it is. It's 80 proof though. I don't know how many ounces it is. I can't remember, but it was only $9.98 at Walmart. The instructions did say just use an inexpensive vodka between 70 and 90 proof. So I went ahead and got 80 proof. I'm just using these mason jars I got at Walmart. And yeah, I'm just going to get these vanilla beans open. They say do not split them. I remember when I was reading the reviews, they said these are very dry vanilla beans. I didn't find the vanilla beans to be overly dry. I know some people said they were so dry and brittle. There were mixed reviews. There were some reviews that they were great and amazing, and then there were other reviews that were bad. But I think I had a great experience with these vanilla beans, and I'm definitely going to leave the link in the description for you because I find them extremely affordable, and that's why. My hands were smelling so vanilla-y when I was touching these. But yeah, like I said, I decided to put 5 sticks of vanilla beans in each of the mason jars. I know some people put more. I've seen people put less, but I'm doing 5. When I actually counted all these vanilla beans out, they actually gave me an extra one. So instead of 25, they gave me 26. So I was like, ooh, very cool. I got a free vanilla bean. So I definitely paid less than $1 per vanilla bean. That was my daughter there coming and smelling it like, wow, it's so amazing. I should have saved the last one and used it for something. But anyway, I'm just going to take 5 of these. I'm going to cut them in half. And then I'll split them with my knife. I tried to do this the best I could so you can see, but there was a lot of caviar in these vanilla beans. It was a little hard to just cut with my knife, and I do have really dull knives. So I went ahead and decided to cut them in half with my scissors because I wanted these to be fully submerged in the vanilla, especially when I transfer them later to smaller bottles. I wanted the vanilla beans to always be submerged in the alcohol. So yeah, I actually cut these. I had no problem slicing them. I know they said do not do that, but the reviews that I read, people said they did it. It was great. And some said they weren't even able to attempt to do it. So there was a lot of caviar in these beans. Like, it was so awesome. So all I'm going to do now is finish cutting up the rest and put them in the mason jars. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now is pouring the vodka in the mason jars over the vanilla beans. This is so easy. I have 5 jars out here, but I didn't have enough vodka to fill all 5 jars. And I believe this was 1.75 liters. I looked at the bottle. So it only filled up 4 pints. So that was fine. I ended up taking the vanilla beans from the last one and just dividing it up between the 4 pints. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to be putting my lids on my jars. I'm going to be using a 6-quart Instapot. I did try to fit all 4 of these in the 6-quart Instapot. It was not happening. You only could do 2 at a time. I'm putting these lids on finger tight. Don't leave it too loose or your vodka will come out of the jars. I've heard people say that tap into them, so make sure it's not super tight, but tight enough where the vodka is not going to ooze out. All right, you guys, so I've got all my jars ready. As you can see, I was trying to fit 4. I could not, so I ended up going with 2. This is a 6-quart Instapot, so I only could fit 2 pints. I set it for 30 minutes, and I put 1 cup of water in there. You put the trivet in, you put a cup of water, and you set it for 30 minutes, let it naturally release. And this is what I ended up with when it was done. This is what it looked like before. I am going to go and do these 2. But yeah, that's it. So you could either choose to use it within a couple of days, a couple of weeks. The longer it sits, obviously, the better. But some people say it's ready right away, so you can do what you want from there. And that's basically it, you guys. If you have any questions for me, comment down below. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe. And leave me some tips if you've made a homemade vanilla extract before, or if you have made it in the Instapot before, let me know if there's anything I could do differently. But this was so simple and so basic, you guys. Give it a try, especially if you love baking like me. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.